welcome back to my channel. We're working on this magic shack. Last time we worked on this pot of papers and manuscripts, this little pot of wood, this little pot of yellow fruit, and this little inkwell perfume bottle. I'm not sure, but everything is really cute. And today we're going to continue on. They want us to pull out the battery pack. And let's untangle this. These white and gray ones are our lights. They're already wired up for us. The last kit I did, they were not wired. So there is 3 of them with a white and gray each, but we're not using them right now. So I'm going to lay them to the side. See what else we have in here. A little piece of sandpaper. This is like an adhesive clear film. And then we have these, I'm guessing, are shrink tubes in there, 3 of them. So they want us to measure and cut Let's just snoot around a bit. Oh, this is nice. It takes 2 AAA batteries. You don't need those round watch batteries. So I like that. AAAs are much easier to come by. They want us to measure these 2.1 centimeters from here, I guess. And strip, I'm not sure, is this the end? Oh yeah, they're showing a circle here. They want us to cut it off this end, 2.1 centimeters each. And then strip 0.2 centimeters, which is 2 millimeters, off the one end and 7 millimeters off the other end. So, let's get our pen. Actually, oh no, maybe this will show up on here. Yes, it will. So these, first of all, they are not exactly the same length. So we can't just cut. So we want 2.1 centimeters. Well, what works for me best is this way. So I already have that on my red, the 0.2 centimeters, which is 2 millimeters. So I just need 2.1, which would be there, cutting here. This is silly. So let's just double check. It's more like 2.2 centimeters, but that's okay. Now we need to do 0.7 centimeters, which is 7 millimeters, which is right there off the one end. There's a red one. Let's do a black one. So 2.1 centimeters. And I'm just gonna try to see if I can just cut the casing, which I did not. I don't know what they're for anyway, so I'm just going to lay this to the side for now until we can find a purpose for it. Here it looks like dynamite. What they are for, I have no clue. I'm just not. Aha. They're pens. Here's the red one. I guess, yes. And you bend that over to look like a pen. And here's the black one. So basically, I ruined this one. But maybe I can recover it. I'm not liking this at all. I don't think they look like pens anyhow. I don't like them. So you can do what you want to do, but I don't think I'll be putting these in mine. It's got to be one of these gray ones because we do not have yellow. We got to do 1.5 centimeters. Well, the nice thing is we already got the point out. We just need to cut it. So 1.5 centimeters is here. And so I'm good with that. There's that. And we need paper cutout 1-20. It's a feather. Paper cutout, that's 2. So 1-20 right here in the center. So I'm going to use a tile knife. You want to fold this like we did the leaves earlier. And we want to glue that little piece in right here. Grab this needle and put the hole right here where it shows that the bone of the feather would be. There we go. So my feather was not completely aligned. That looks pretty good. And that's our quill. And next we have a whole lot of books to start cutting out. We have 212, 213, 214, and 215. And they are on the page of 2-2. This is 1-2. So we've got 12, 13, 14, and 15. So let's get cutting. And now we fold them into books. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye.